Today I'm going to show you another use for leftover chicken, spicy chicken salad. Or if you're like me, you make a bunch of chicken breasts at the beginning of the week for various uses. This is super easy. You could really put whatever vegetables you like, but I'm going to use red onion, some celery, jalapeno, of course for spice, green onion, cilantro, and my neighbor's award-winning spicy pickles. He even took home a blue ribbon at the Minnesota State Fair. They're delicious and perfect with this, with just the right amount of spice. And then some chicken breast, of course. I've got about 1.5 pounds of cooked chicken breast. Just dice it, cube it, flip it, and ride that B-O-O-T-Y. Wait, wrong video, sorry. Then start with the dressing, which is also super easy. About 1/2 cup of mayo, a smidge of sriracha, also some smoked paprika and chipotle, and then brighten it all up with some lime and a splash of the pickle juice. Then whisk it until thoroughly combined. Oh wait, don't forget the salt and pepper. It's very important. Then add all the chicken and whatnot. Break out your favorite wooden spoon, I know everyone has one, and mix it with as much enthusiasm as you can muster. I'm going to make a wrap, a sort of an homage to gringo burritos. I like to use heart of romaine because it has a bit of green, which makes me feel better as a person, but more importantly, it has a lot of crunch. I've also got these gluten-free spinach wraps that my wife likes, so why not? I like to give it a little extra heat, then fold, and voila! A semi-healthy, but most importantly, a delicious meal. Or you could just make a sandwich, which is also one of my go-tos.